First of all, we must know the definition of subsidy. Definition of subsidy. A subsidy is a financial assistance or benefit provided by the government or other organizations to individuals, businesses, or industries. The next is terms of. The terms of subsidies vary depending on the goals of the government or organizations providing the subsidy. Terms may include restrictions on how the funds can be used, requirements for maintaining certain practices, or obligations to meet specific benchmarks or performance criteria. The next is purpose. The main purpose of subsidies is to help make essential goods and services more affordable for everyone. Subsidies provided by the government or organizations to reduce the cost of basic needs like food, fuel, and healthcare, so people with our incomes can still access them. The next is benefit of subsidy. I have 4 benefits. Can I explain here? The first is affordability. Subsidies lower the cost of essential goods and services like food, and healthcare, making them more accessible for all, especially for low-income households. The second is job creation. By supporting important sectors such as agriculture, manufacturing, and infrastructure, subsidy help with jobs and stimulate economic growth, which reduces unemployment and provides more opportunities for everyone. The third is price stability. Subsidy helps stabilize prices from suddenly price increases in critical areas, allowing for better financial budgeting. And the fourth is reducing inequality. Subsidies support a fairer distribution of resources, helping to close the gap between different income levels and improving the quality of life for disadvantaged communities. And the next is kinds of. The first is direct subsidy. Direct subsidy is financial assistance that comes in the form of cash payments, scholarships, healthcare support, and assistance for small businesses. The example of direct subsidy programs like KIP, which provides financial assistance for students from underprivileged families, and BPJS, which covers healthcare support for low income individuals. If there is direct, must be indirect. Indirect subsidy are provide cost for individuals or businesses without giving direct cash payment. These subsidies usually work through tax relief, reduce the cost of utilities like electricity, food, water, and public transportation. For instance, a government reduced import tax of raw materials needed by local manufacturers. This policy lowers the production cost for businesses without directly giving the money. The next is problem. The first problem of subsidy is corruption. Corruption is a big problem in subsidy programs. Money meant to help specific groups is often stolen because of poor monitoring or lack of transparency. The next is misallocation or targeting errors. Targeting errors often happen in subsidy programs. It
Sebenarnya lebih
because
dari
of
itu Sa. Jadi
data
kita pelajari basic-basicnya
poor
aja semua.
identification process and rules for deciding who qualifies. For example, subsidy means for low-income households might help weaker groups if the rules
Aku kasih yang
to
cantik
work
kayak
or
gitu.
if the rules to work are not updated regularly. Next, how to solve the problem. The first is addressing corruption. To tackle corruption, implementing stricter oversight and mechanisms are essential. One effective method is to establish independent auditing bodies to review regularly subsidy
Pas itu
distribution.
aku kena air mampus.
Digital payment system such as
Sampai rumah kalian buatin konten aku.
direct cash transfer through mobile apps or bank accounts can also reduce the risk of funds being by intermediaries.
Belum cukup dananya.
The last is addressing misallocation or targeting errors. Misallocation or targeting errors can reduce by improving data accuracy and refining eligibility criteria.
Enggak cocok, lebih cocok yang U.
Eligibility criteria. A government and local agencies can also work together to perform in the workfields to effectively the allocation of subsidies. Thank you. That is my presentation about subsidy. I hope all of you can understand about subsidy after this. Thank you for listening me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.